signal lost, but thought remains. Darkness speaks in silent refrain.